How to find a profitable niche for your blog. Starting a blog without a plan is not a good idea, especially if you want to make money soon or at some point. What you should do in order to get it right, and why do so many go wrong in the beginning? I would say that because there is a lot of information out there and most of it is designed to suck money out of you. Usually, people will lure you to buy web hosting and then sell you more courses. Instead of buying web hosting, you should choose a profitable niche for your blog first, before starting a blog. In this post, I will share actionable tips for you to find a profitable niche for your blog so you could eventually start to make money with your blog. One mistake many bloggers make in the beginning is not choosing/finding a profitable niche. Profitability matters. It will send you up to success or up to failure. Of course, other factors matter too, like website visitors. Without products and services made available in an online store or in form of affiliate products, you will not be able to make money. What I mean by that is sometimes people write content, I know I do, but don't make products available. They just have nothing. Even people would gladly buy from them just to support. They may have not even buy me a coffee button. I'm not saying that buying me coffee is a good idea, but if you would like to get some money in the beginning and don't know how to progress, maybe asking for coffee money is not a bad idea. If you're a business owner, that of course is out of the table. Number 1. Have products available. Number 2. Make sure that they are profitable. This is how you can make money online and offline. Help a big group of people to solve a small problem, with this low-ticket items like ebooks, printables, etc., or help a small group of people to solve a huge problem, with high-ticket items like courses, seminars, live events, mastermind memberships. Something that interests you. Start by brainstorming and writing out ideas you are interested to write about. What are your hobbies? Skills? Action step. Write down everything that interests you, what you like or would like to learn more about. Something that others are interested in. You can't write all day long about only stuff that interests you, like for example about yourself, your thoughts, your dreams, your life story. If you ask me, then, in my opinion, you should write as much as you can your thoughts, your dreams, your fears, and your pain out every day, but not publicly, or if so, then not promote that on social media. This is just my personal opinion and how I have personally coped with it. The simple reason is lack of courage. I am not prepared to let loose of security and put myself out there for judgment. What also scared me, exposing myself to pain and risk future opportunities. You may be in a better place, maybe you have more courage, or maybe what you hold is so precious that it hurts not to share it. When you have a way to help people and you can't hold it back, you know that you need to share it anyway, no matter what some people will think about it. Something that interests others. Let's jump to the point. The niche you choose must be something that interests you and others, because if you like your toenails, for example, well, there will probably not be much demand, right? Demand means customers who are willing to pay to those who solve problems. For example, feet or toenails alone would not do any good, but fixing toenail problems would be actually helpful, and someone who is struggling with these problems would want desperately to find help, advice, and release to such a problem, and they would pay to get help. For example, if you have struggled with a toenails problem yourself or know how to fix it, then here is something that both you and someone else are interested in. Action step. Choose from your list of niche topics that may interest other people too. Choose evergreen niche. Choose an evergreen niche. The toenail is a good example of a problem that anyone could suffer in different times of their lives. This niche is evergreen. What is the opposite of evergreen? Well, let's see. Dead? Yes, a dead niche is a niche that interests only you. There is one marketer with an extremely good sense of humor, Arun, Chandran, and in his Niche in the Nutshell's ebook, he made a joke. Don't be creating a niche site about thong bikinis for Amish women and expect to make a 5-figure income from it. Your site might only get 2 visitors. You, and me. Try to stay away from something that is, dead. Action step. Go to Google Trends and try to find out how niches on your list perform. Are they evergreen, seasonal, or dead? Play around with this tool and try to find a niche that is trending up or is steady. Use the comparison feature to nail it down even more. Free online course on how to use Google Trends, link will be in the description below. Find out what people are interested in. Why would you care what people are interested in? There are a few reasons why. First of all, if you want to make money, then you should offer something that people are desperately looking for and are willing to pay for it. How will you know what people are looking for? You will need to get the most affordable keyword tool there is and use it to find out keywords people are typing in Google, Etsy, Amazon, AliExpress, Pinterest to find things they are looking for. How will you know if people are willing to pay for a solution? The way to know if people are willing to pay for a solution is simple. Go to sites like Amazon and see what they have bought in the past. If there are products and there are buyers, well, that's your answer. Find products in your niche that you can promote. Find out if people are looking for these products. Can beat the competition. Get free Chrome extension Moz. Search Google. Google your niche and affiliate programs and products. When you get product names, Google names and see that no complaints or negative reviews or scams pop up. You want to stay away from anything scammy. Trust your gut. If there is nothing sketchy about the product, go to Google, type in a product name with comparison, review, best X for, and X versus Y. You can also search for keywords with buyer intent such as I need, I want, where to buy, etc. See what pops up on the first page of Google. What does the Moz extension show you? Do you see only big authority sites, sites with high domain authority DA? Or are there small sites too, sites with low domain authority? If there are sites with low domain authority, that is good. You may have a chance to outbeat the competition. Search Amazon. Amazon is very popular. You can quickly get an idea of what is popular. Go to the category of your niche and see what are best sellers there. Best sellers will tell you what sells, what people are looking for, and what problems they have. Reviews will tell you the quality of the product, does it delivers what it promises. Desperation is based on emotions such as pain, fear, and passion. Conclusion. You see, there must be buying intent, plus desperation, plus big search volume, plus chance to win the competition. One thing I forget to mention in this blog post is that you have to be good at the topic you choose. You either already have the expertise or you learn or let someone else do the work for you. I advise you to go the easy route and go with something that you know something about. There will be other struggles on your way and you don't want to put too big a load on yourself by choosing something that is unnatural or too difficult or not complementing your natural strengths and skills. Your skills and strengths may help you beat the competition, focus on them and life will be easier. You know what? Toenails have actually a big search volume. Let me know in the comment field below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for staying till the end. If you like the content I put out, please like and subscribe to my channel.